Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class ninth. Today, let us try to understand one of the bacterial disease, that is a typhoid, a very common disease. So, dear students, typhoid is the most common infectious or communicable disease of India. So, typhoid is a communicable disease. That means it may spread from one person to another person. Typhoid fever is common in humans of the 1 to 15 years age group. Every year, about 2.5 persons suffer from typhoid. Typhoid is caused by a rod-shaped and motile bacterium called Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is the name of bacteria, which is a rod-shaped bacteria, and this is commonly found in the intestines of human beings. So human infection is direct. Infection takes place by oral routes through ingestion of food, milk or water contaminated by contact with facial matters of the typhoid patient. The bacteria spreads through facial matters by houseflies. The symptoms of typhoid often appear 10 to 14 days after the infection. There are some of the symptoms: headache. Headache is the symptom of this. Increase in temperature for first week, very high fever in the second week, and the fever will gradually decline from third to fourth week. In nutshell, symptoms of typhoid include fever, slow pulse, distended abdomen, diarrhea with water green stools, and eruption of rosy spots, rashes on the body of patient. And some of the preventive measures of this is proper sanitation and disposal of facial matters prevent infection. TAV vaccination provides immunity for 3 years. TAV vaccine kills typhoid bacteria and paratyphoid organism Salmonella paratyphi A and B. Typhoid oral vaccine also gives typhoid control. Some drugs are used, chloromycetin, which cure typhoid. So, dear students, as it is clear that the typhoid is a bacterial disease caused by the bacterial Salmonella typhi. This Salmonella typhi is a rod-shaped bacteria, and it may uh, communicable disease. It is a communicable disease. Rather, we say it may infect from one person to another person through oral route, through contaminated food, water. This food or water is contaminated by these flies, by these mosquitoes. These mosquitoes, when these house flies, when uh, they separate, when they sit on the facial matters, they carry this Salmonella typhi and contaminate the food water. When this contaminated food water goes inside the human beings, it remains in the intestines and multiplies and cause high fever. This high fever is the indication of typhoid, and this can be prevented by using this some of the drugs. And the preventive measure is mostly the disposal of facial matters. So construction of flush voids instead of latrines. Do not defecate on the open place. This is the preventive measure for the prevention of this typhoid. Do not pour the facial materials into any water body. So control of water pollution also controls the typhoid, because it is a waterborne disease. It is a foodborne disease, rather we can say. So dear students, it is our duty to make our environment neat and clean, to reduce the chances of this typhoid Salmonella bacteria spread. This is our primary duty. Dear students, stay connected,